Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Shanwaz Ansari, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Oriental College of Technology. Today we discuss a very important subject, engineering graphics, which is in first year. Now today, before I starting the topic-wise subject, I just introduce syllabus of engineering graphics. Now this is the first unit of engineering graphics. In engineering graphics, first unit is divided into three parts. First one is a scale, second conic section, third is a special curve. The important topics is representative fraction, plane scale, diagonal scale, vernier scale. These topics are important according to RGPV. Remaining two scales, scale of chord and comparative scale, is out of syllabus in RGPV. Now second topic is conic section. In conic section we have studied the construction of ellipse, parabola, hyperbola by different method, and also draw the tangent and normal on the curve. Now next topic is a special curve, cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid, involute, Archimedean and logarithmic Archimedean, as well as we have also draw the tangent normal on this curve, and this is basically important curve for design purpose. Second topic of engineering graphics is projection of point and projection of line. The projection of point and projection of line, the topic is types of projections, orthographic projection, first and third angle projection, projection of point and line, line inclined to one plane and both the plane. This unit is very important for the further units. Next unit is a projection of plane and projection of solid. Projection of plane like circle and polygon in different position. We also construct the different types of curve in projection of plane. Now next topic is projection of polyhedrons. Projection of polyhedron like prism, pyramid, and solids of revolutions like cylinder, cone in different position. Now unit 4 is very important, section of solid and development of surface. Section of solid we study section of right solids by normal and inclined plane, and also intersections of cylinder. Intersections of cylinders are out of syllabus in RGPV. Now development of surface, parallel lines and radial line method for right solids. Now unit 5 is basically very important for the software as well as the maximum number covered by these units. Isometric projections topic is isometric scale, isometric axis, isometric projections from orthographic drawing. And then next topic is computer aided drafting, CAD. In this chapter we study the introductions and benefits of the software, basic commands of drafting, entities like line, circle, polygon, polyhedron, cylinders. And the next topic is transformations and editing commands like move, rotate, mirror, array, solution of projection of problems on CAD. Now this is a very important units in engineering graphics. Whenever you study first unit, second, third and fourth unit, after that you have to draw all the objects in AutoCAD. And today our presentation on this syllabus of engineering graphics. Now thank you.